Athaki Ian Mijire na Agustin Lugonzo nimarekereirie gukuruhanio timu-ini ya Kenya Sevens thutha wa gukorwo marija gwa kahinda. Eri aya moete ithenya ria athaki Samuel Ngethe na Eric Kombasa aria marari na Shujaa ikirekereria finals Vancouver Sevens bũrũri-inĩ wa Canada. Athaki angĩ arĩa maranyitĩra Shujaa itemi ĩtetanĩro cia Commonwealth na Hong Kong ni hamwe na Oscar Ouma, Samuel Oliech, Andrew Amode, Joroya Trace Collins Njera, Daniel Skuta. Handũ-inĩ hangĩ aingĩ mwaka ũyũ njamba ici cikiuga cirĩ na mĩaki.
Our key focus right now is just how do we make sure that the players rectify the small areas that we need to rectify to be fit to play Hong Kong, and hopefully we can start hitting our standards in Hong Kong, and that is our key focus right now.
Muthaki Philadelphia Olado ũrĩa nowe captain wa nyarari cia Lionesses niwe ũgũkorwo agĩtongoria nyarari ici ngucanio-inĩ cia Commonwealth iria cirambĩrĩria kiumia twerekeire. Nyarari cia Kenya Lionesses marĩ thĩinĩ wa pool ĩmwe na thũ ciao cia kahinda karaya South Africa, New Zealand na Canada.
Yeah, it's been quite challenging. Looking at we missed Dubai Sevens, and that it didn't kill our morale for the games, because you know we have HSBC qualifiers in Hong Kong, and that one also will double up as a build-up match towards the Commonwealth Games. So our first focus is to qualify for the HSBC. So going to Commonwealth Games is going to be a boost for us.
Shujaa ĩkomboka kuma gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ mũthenya wa kiumia. Handũ-inĩ ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, rĩakwa nĩ Mũgũre wa Karuiru.